Okay, here's a review on the old NF102. Okay? We've got a Striker SR94 HCP plugged in. And, oh hey! Oh, this dog just scared the shit out of me. Hi! Hi, Isaac, what's the matter with your ear? You just scared the living fucking shit out of me. Okay, I mean, we're in the woods here. So, now, okay. Hang on. It's not hooked up now, it's direct power. This here, yellow is from the Volvo, this is to the Striker, the red. And now I'm gonna hook in, this goes to the battery, this goes to the radio. I'm gonna do that now, because I don't have my tripod down here, damn it. Okay, now it is hooked up. It's hooked up the way it says in the diagram, which is red power in, which is red to yellow up there, and then power out is blue, and blue goes to the kind of orangish red, which goes up to the Striker. And this ground here is connected right there to the frame, right where I've got the other ground connected to. And I think it sounds exactly the fucking same. I mean, listen to this thing. Nothing. I mean, we're out in the middle of nowhere. There's no traffic. It's just how it sounds with nothing running. If I take the key, turn it on, it's fuel pump noise. And here, let's turn it up. Shit out of the way. Okay, that's with the key down. It's picking up all kinds of shit. Give it a little bit of throttle. I don't know, it doesn't seem to change it too much with acceleration, but I mean, it's just night and day difference. I've never had a filter do very well. I'm probably just going to run the power directly to the battery and directly to the firewall here. But man, I hate to do that shit. Battery's in the fucking trunk. Anyway, I don't think the NF102 is very good. There you go. I don't think it helps. I think you just got to run it from the battery. Maybe throw one of these in line for fun. I just don't notice it. Okay. Here's how it sounds with the motor running. It's totally installed, shrink wrapped. It looks freaking sweet. Everything's great. And I can still hear some crackle as it idles, which isn't there when it's off. Shut it off now. The crackle is gone away. It's like it doesn't even care about the fuel pumps. Bit of background noise there, but it was really bad before. I don't know, at like $8 or whatever, I'm gonna say it's a win. I'm just gonna leave it in there. I'm gonna zip tie it up and fucking leave it. And you can hear it crackling, but anyway, that's the good old NF102. I thought it'd be better. I've seen metal ones. This one looks like the shittiest plastic one. I've heard it was good. It's 10 amps. I don't care. We're putting it in. That's it. That's how this thing's gonna go.